questions. Um, there are many times when rhetorical questions have been used, and there are significances that we can attach to them, but I'll also pick one. When Nora is blackmailed by Krogstad, she asks so many rhetorical questions. She says, is a woman not allowed to save her dying husband? Is a daughter not allowed to save her dying father anxiety and maybe shock? So those rhetorical questions are meant to bring out the tension in her. But of course, like Mr. Mwaura said, we can't exhaust all these styles here. I would urge students out there and their teachers to dig deeper and get more styles and their significances.
When you're faced with a question from the text, and that question is asking you to write an essay, let's say in this text, A Doll's House, there are several things that you need to understand as a student. One is that you must understand the question so that you meet the demands of the examiner and what the examiner wants you to do. So take time to interact with the question and know what is required of you. After that, the first thing that you should do is to write the introduction of that particular essay that you want to write. There are several ways in which you can write the introduction. One of them being specific, where you just go directly to what is in the text. There is that other one where you can move from general towards specific. You give an overview of what you understand about the question, but do not rewrite the question, though you can paraphrase it in a way that you make it your introduction. Now, when you're given such kind of a question, then the second thing that you do is to write your topic sentence, and then you build it up with evidence, specific evidence from the text.